Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best ways to grow an audience. So I heard about this member was struggling on the membership site, and she was wondering, like, I have all these members that paying for this great content that they get from this program, the membership program. But how do I, grow and get more members and get more people to opt in to join the membership? And so this is where it's going to be. So this is the 4 criteria or 4 features that you really need to have in order to grow an audience. And the first and foremost, the most important steps or features that you need to have in your brand or your business is to start giving for free tutorial, free PDF, free checklist, free e-course, free ebooks, free information, free helpful guide out there to the public, like on YouTube or on your blog or anywhere, that you can offer those information for free. It's going to start to attract more people to come to your audience looking for the helpful guide, helpful information that you have to offer, the things that you've gone through, the struggle that the obstacle that you overcome to get you to where you need to be, whether to pass like a real estate course or pass a real estate test or architect test or etc. X, Y, and Z struggles that you have. So first off is to offer for free your best informations out there that you can get, that you can deliver on a regular basis. So that carries on to the second step is to offer something on a consistent basis to the audience, whether it's on YouTube, free videos, whether it's on a blog, free blog posts about comparing X, Y, and Z platform, etc. For example, it could be you want to compare the difference between Shopify versus Etsy or versus BigCommerce or different places that people can host their website to sell the product, etc. So that's the second step, to consistently delivering your free content and offering it to the audience. And the third step is to be relational. It's gonna really help. You don't have to show your face or really be on YouTube in order to grow an audience. You can still build your audience by creating a blog post or by X, Y, and Z. But you can hire somebody to create videos for you. You don't have to put your face out there if you don't want to. But I find that it's really helpful to put yourself out there or your face out there, to have a way for people to relate to you, to your story, what you have to say, the struggle that you went through and how you overcome it. Or it could be you sharing experience or an experience of another person that they went through and how they overcame those struggles. So yeah, that's the third step or features or criteria that really help you to grow the audience. The third tips. So the fourth tip is to place your free offer in a traffic place. For example, you went through all these 3 steps in the beginning. You create a free tutorial, you create a free ebook, a free checklist, but you fail to put it somewhere that people can see it, whether it's on YouTube, or you fail to put it somewhere that people can get it easily through your blog posts, etc. So it's really going to be hard for you to grow an audience where versus you put yourself out there and put it on YouTube, put it on your, hey, say I have a free book, a free checklist for how to start a blog. Here's the list of different companies and what they offer, etc. to compare these different software, Teachable, Thinkific, or whatever. It doesn't matter what you have to offer. The main thing is to start to put it somewhere that help people to see it, advertise it, like, hey, I have this X, Y, and Z, you'd like to come check it out, so that you start to grow the right audience into your ecosystem, into your course, into your membership site, into your coaching, etc. So it's very important to have warm leads, meaning fresh organic leads from your YouTube channel, and you can convert all that into an email list and funnel that into your course or web membership or coaching that you offer one-on-one, etc. So it's one of the things I truly believe, that having a YouTube channel is very important for a lot of brands, and you're missing out, you're not starting a YouTube channel, or you're missing out, you're not starting a blog. Now I believe, both of them are great, but it's going to takes you longer, I believe, for people to relate to you and to see your face, to share your story. YouTube really helps people to grow an audience. And versus the blog, yes, you have to put a lot more content. You have to put a lot more posts out there versus the amount of posts versus the amount of videos that you post on YouTube. I truly think that YouTube is the way to start. Now, the downside to YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, that you have a chance to put your free tutorial, free video, or free information, etc. out there. YouTube and Google, where you put your blog post showing up on there, it's gonna stay there years and years after you create this product and you offer it. Let's just say, I want to do a tutorial on how to start a affiliate website, and I put it on YouTube. It takes years and years later, I still can find, this videos on there, versus on the blog post, and algorithm changes or something, and it's still probably at the bottom of page 10 or something on Google search, and nobody really get to find you. Now, the good thing about having a website or having a blog is that you own that website. Nobody can really take it down unless you're doing something crazy, illegal or something. But having a blog that's something you own. You can redesign it, you can upload, you can do all this stuff, different things to it, and it's harder for people to take it down. There has to be a really good reason for people to take down your website versus a YouTube channel. That being said, I truly believe that having both is really helpful for your brand, and if it's hard for you to juggle both of them, it's hard for you to create a video and a blog post, and it's just too much and you just want to focus on one, I would say that having a YouTube channel is going to win. And on your YouTube channel, on the video, you can put descriptions, and you can still put affiliate links. You can put still a lot of things that you would have put on a blog post. But of course, YouTube can take your channel down with all your videos and stuff. So it's safe bet to put your videos and your content to your blog post, and later on, in case something happens to your channel, God forbid, got suspended, whatever, that you can still people can still search for you and find you on your blog or your website. And also, if you grow a email list, then of course you can still get in touch with your audience and let them know X, Y, and Z happened. You can find me here, X, this place, that place, etc. Whatever happened there. So let me know what you think about having a blog versus having a YouTube channel, and can you grow just one or the other? Do you need both? Having a YouTube channel is great, but of course you have to do a lot more editing. I mean, you have to grow your audience somehow. So which ones would be a better match for your type, your brand, and your personality? So yeah, let me know what you think, and see you in the next video.